Hi everyone, here we've got on our Play 7 and let me show you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and we have to scroll down to the very bottom and find the system. Now let's tap the second position, languages and input, and here let's tap on languages. And as you can see here, we've got the list of previously added and applied languages. We've got only English right now. In order to add new one, just tap on add a language. And here we've got the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So let's find the one you want to use and simply tap on it. For example, here. And if you will have any options, then you will be asked to choose the region. So let's tap on the region. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to our list. Now, in order to set it as a default language, then simply tap on the one you want to use, hold it, and drag it to the very first position. Now let's wait a second, and as you can see, it actually immediately changes, and from now on the whole system will be in the chosen language. Now let me get back to English. Simply tap on the one you want to use and make sure that it will be on the very first position. Okay, now let me show you how to remove the language. Simply tap on this three dots icon, click on remove, tap on the one you want to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Now let's tap on OK. And as you can see, it immediately disappears. So that's all. This is how to change system language in your Honor Play 7. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.